Good morning and welcome to Glamma's kitchen. This morning, Glamma is on there looking. Look up, Ma. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, she's gonna eat her some cereal. And I'm getting ready to fix this ham right here. Get it all ready. Spiral ham. We're gonna have corn. Then I'm gonna fix a ooey gooey butter cake. We're gonna have sweet potatoes. And got the meat on for the green beans. And so we just about got the dressings already fixed. And my sous chef about to get ready to go to work. Let's see, what else we gotta do? And that's what we're doing today in Glamma's kitchen. I'll get back with you later on.